swear I'm not feeling these sunglasses, but the fact is my vision is fate. Anyway, urgent. And big ups and love and healing to Christina. She's been warning and been on lives probably for like 2 weeks straight, several times a day. Warning. And her receipts, she has them. She's been predicting them since she was 3. So just a few minutes ago, maybe like a half hour ago, volcano that I've been telling people is a problem for a while, if not even 2019, because when that landslide of material, earth, comes into the water, because this is an island in the Canary Islands, which is in the Atlantic, that water, I'll just say material, would displace the water and cause a tsunami. 3 out of the 5 buoys, tsunami warnings in the Atlantic, have been disabled. So we already see the game here, the warning. So I need everybody's eyes watching that. But mind you, 53 as of yesterday were active volcanoes. So if you're near volcano area, especially those in the west, you might be looking east. But everybody needs to be watching around you. Because of the weather, and Earth is going to do her thing. That's what we asked for, and it's about to happen. We have a cosmic, galactic stream of energy coming in, especially a South Pole anomaly. We are like this close to the 40-degree mark, which is complete pole shift, and the data has been showing it has already adjusted. It just hasn't locked in. So we're inches away from that, and probably, I don't know, but the deal is it will slam into place, and that's when the earthquake will happen. Nostradamus has predicted that this event should happen this year. So between now and the end of this year, global quake, or at least New Madrid shift. So I also posted that for those who say Egypt, America's Egypt, and the Mississippi is the Nile. Well, Alabama, that valley area, river valley, is being flooded, flash floods, so stay alert. And anything else. So it doesn't matter where you are. Even in the Philippines, getting a message, they having disturbances, earthquakes, anything and everything, that whole region, Thailand. So Indonesia, keep them in your thoughts, because it ain't gonna be no joke for them. So no matter where you are, it's been happening. So I need you guys to watch out and be vigilant, but you're gonna be safe, because it just seems like it's just enough to get your attention. And so stay alert, and prepare if you can. If you feel the intuition, some people have been hitting me up to relocate, and you have the ability, do it now. Do it now. Those who want to do something offline, meet up, do that too. And I do need assistance. If anybody's done a panel with Zoom and lives and different live streams, and some graphic designers out there, can you hit me up?